Alright everybody, you don't know who this is? This is Skilla. Now, remember the other day when I showed you a state of emergency in St. James where a guy got hurt at a funeral, right? Now, I am going to show you a different footage of this incident, you know what I mean? And from a different camera angle, right? So, please, observe.
Yeah, general, let me bring on you see me? Well, be a people the camera, hold the camera good. That's good work something. Move. Take time walk. Boss heavy, you know. Boss say boss heavy when he was alive until now. Gunshot all a bus and anything the dog. And the bomb buckler and the boss too. Sorry, let me join you. I swore you a bus shot. Yo, I swore you a bus shot. I swore you a bus shot. Don't worry. I don't know. Don't get shaky. Do nothing. Don't move. Say all them something here, be a bumbo clap fuck with the one in the youth. I say my man a tongue brother watch them tell them man a grung to bumbo clap youth. Some a bumbo clap people here my youth. Who gets that? Who is that get shot? I'm a drummer, Joe from where? No man, you not set to people, brother. Be a bumbo clap fuck we are going you. Who that Chinaling? Who?
He boy better run past and head in get his shot and see face a drop out.
From where?
What is that?
I'm not with Joe. I'm not with Joe, man. I'm not with Joe.
I don't know. I just see somebody run past.
You're not two chain. I'm not
two chain. I'm more than one somebody get shot. Sir.
Who do it?
I don't know.
How many young Joe stop it? I'm poor, brother. Come on, tell you. No, well, if a man gets shot up there, the check. Just a little shot too. Yeah, man, stand man. That's any man going to listen. Where shot come from? What is the brother? Upper hill. Upper hilltop, upper hilltop. Yeah, brother. Upper hilltop, the boy in there. What is the brother? Up there, sir. Yeah, brother.
You see what I'm talking about, right? It's just a sad moment, you know? Ah boy. I pray for the best. Anyways, do remember to leave your comment, press your likes, say what you think is on your mind, and do remember, if you want to stay fresh with what's going on today in Jamaica, you have to click that subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla Entertainment.